Hi folks, Joe Gallo here along with
Zoe.
And we're here representing Estrin Zirkman Sales, building your business through creative and profitable business solutions. And we're here today with a product from American Lighting. It is the BRIO. It's fantastic. It comes in 5 color temperatures, 2700, 3000, 3500, 4000, and 5000 in one fixture. It's also 90 CRI. It's easy install with quick connects and no housing required, and it's wet rated. And when I say low profile and easy install, I mean it. Joe, you want to install one of these?
Yeah.
All right, let's cut that hole.
We hit a beam in there.
What are we going to do? We hit a beam.
It will still work.
It'll still work. That's
It'll
right,
still-
folks. If you can get this in there, if you get the housing in there, it will still work. With the beam or not. Get your fixture in there, you have your hole cut, beam or not. Bam. Simple. You can get that wired in. Fantastic product. See if you can see it better there. Contact info@estrin.co for more information. And as always,
Let's get it done.
let's get it done.